Do you stop speaking English because you're not sure whether to say in, on, or at? After this lesson, you will never hesitate again.
Hello everyone, welcome back to LELTA, Lanka English Language Training Academy.
Listen to me. Today's lesson is very important because we are going to learn 25 frequently used prepositions in English. If you don't use prepositions correctly, your sentence can sound wrong or confusing. So, in this lesson, I will explain each preposition. I will give simple, daily life examples, and I will help you use them confidently when speaking. So, let's get started. A preposition is a word that shows place, time, direction or movement, relationship between words. Prepositions usually come before a noun or pronoun. See this example. The book is on the table. Now let's learn the 25 most common prepositions, one by one. We use in for something located inside an enclosed space or area. I am in the room. She lives in Colombo. The keys are in my bag. We use on for something touching the surface of another thing. The phone is on the table. There is a picture on the wall. He sits on the chair. We use at for something at a specific point, location, or address. I am at home. She is at the bus stop. Meet me at the gate. We use under for something directly below another thing. The cat is under the table. My shoes are under the bed. We are under the tree. We use above for something at a higher level than another thing. There is a clock above the calendar. The fan is above my head. The picture is above the sofa. We use below for something at a lower position or level than another thing. Fill in the blanks below. Please write your name below the line. The plug point is below the calendar. We use behind for something at the back of another thing. The car is behind the house. She is sitting behind me. There is a tree behind the church. We use in front of for something at the face or forward part of another thing. The school is in front of the temple. He is standing in front of the door. I am in front of your house. We use near for something a short distance away. My house is near the school. Sit near me. There is a bank near the hotel. We use between for something in the middle of two distinct things. She is sitting between her parents. There is a lane between the hotel and the bank. The shop is between the bank and the hotel. We use among for something in the middle of a group of many things. He is among his friends. The teacher walked among the students. There is a rock among the trees. We use at for a precise time or a specific point in the day. The class starts at 8 a.m. I wake up at 6. Don't call me at midnight. We use on for specific days and dates. I have a class on Monday. My birthday is on June 5th. We go to temple on Sunday. We use in for longer periods like months, years, seasons, and centuries. I was born in 1995. We study English in the morning. She will come in April. We use for to show the duration or how long something lasts. I studied for 2 hours. He lived there for 5 years. I have been writing this essay for 2 hours. We use since to show when an action started in the past and continues to now. I have lived here since 2020. She has been busy since morning. We have been doing this project since January. We use during to show that something happens within a period of time. Don't talk during the class. She slept during the movie. Call me during the interval. We use to show the destination or the direction of someone or something. I am going to school. She gave the book to me. Come to me. We use into to show movement toward the inside of an enclosed space. He went into the room. The cat jumped into the box. Put your books into the bag. we use onto to show movement toward the surface of something. The child climbed onto the bed. The book fell onto the floor. A huge tree fell onto the roof. We use from to show the starting point or where someone or something originates. I am from Sri Lanka. This train comes from Kandy. We are coming from Ratnapura. We use with to show that people or things are together or using something. I came with my friend. She cut it with a knife. I wrote the letter with a red pen. We use without to show that someone or something is not present or not being used. Come without your brother. I can't live without water. He left without saying goodbye. About. We use about to show the subject or the topic of something. We talked about English. This lesson is about prepositions. What do you think about this lesson? We use by to show who did an action or the method used to do it. I go to work by bus. The song was sung by her. The Madol Dua was written by Martin Vikramasinha. We use of to show belonging, connection, or what something is made of. This is a photo of my family. The door of the house is open. The key of the car is in the drawer. So today we learned 25 most frequently used prepositions. Prepositions of place, time, direction, and use. Simple daily life examples. Remember, prepositions are small, but they make your English natural and correct. Try this. Make one sentence every day. Use different prepositions, speak them out loud. This is the best way to improve your spoken English. If you enjoyed this lesson, like this video, subscribe to LELTA, and turn on the bell icon. Comment below and tell me, which preposition was new for you? See you in the next English lesson. Thank you for learning with LELTA.